Okay, good morning, Pak Rama.
Good morning.
I'm Kim. I'm an undergraduate agribusiness student here in Universitas Acara. First of all, thank you so much for having the time for this short interview. And before we start, can we ask for your permission if it is okay that this interview will be uploaded on our social media?
Sure, definitely.
Okay, first of all, we would love to know how has your experience been in UNPAD? What is your impression of our campus environment and the enthusiasm of our students here?
Oh, I'm quite surprised. This is a very vibrant environment for you guys to learn, for you guys to develop something. I was quite impressed by the audience too. But I think you need to work more in some kind of theory to make your academic better.
Thank you so much. Could you tell us about the projects you might have been working on regarding digitalization in agribusiness supply chain, please?
Right, we are working close with several farmers, especially in Japan, to digitalize their work. Like, for example, a very simple step of recording the work. How much cost you put for your fertilizer, how much cost for you to pay for your labor, and then what about your yield, and so on and so on and so on. And hopefully we can use that project to inspire some other farmers, especially in Japan and hopefully in Indonesia too.
Okay, next up, regarding your very insightful lecture on enhancing sustainable and digital food system, what is actually the most critical bottleneck that developing countries face to make the digital transformation in agribusiness supply?
Thank you. I think awareness of you to record something is very important. Like, for example, farmers in developing countries, they don't usually record. In Japan, they usually record right in a calendar. They write in a calendar. Sometimes they just forget, like what they wrote 2 years ago or even last year. Why my yield was very high last year? They don't even remember why. But in Indonesia, it's a whole new level. They don't even record. They don't even remember when they start planting a seed. They don't even remember when they bought the fertilizer, how much they put on the fertilizer. So I think that's one of the biggest bottleneck in Indonesia. And I think education and training and also how we communicate with them is very important to make the awareness for them.
Thank you so much for all of your answers and your time for this interview and your valuable insight for us as future agribusiness professionals. Thank you again for your time.
Likewise.
Thank you.